Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can hide your Discord icon in game. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Discord, and once you're here, you will see the gear icon, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that. And then now what you will have to do is you will look for activity privacy or game activity. So it really depends on the terminology that your version has. So what you will have to do is simply just click that, and then here you should see something like display currently running game as a status message, or you could see something like this which says share my activity. So what you will have to do is you will just have to toggle it off, and then your and then now your you will be able to hide the Discord icon in game. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.